Hello folks, I thought I'd shoot a little how-to video today, how to change the battery in a Mazda Keyfob. This is the Keyfob of a current generation Mazda. This one is for my Mazda CX5 and I've been getting the dreaded Keyfob battery low warning, which is bothering me slightly because I thought maybe I'll get stuck somewhere and won't be able to get into the car. So this is how to change the battery. The batteries you're going to need for this is one of these. It's a 2025 code on it. These Duracell ones. I got these off eBay for $1.99. They came quite quickly as well. I'll leave a link to that for you to check if you need to buy them. These have got a child lock on them, so they're a bit potchy to get out of the packaging, I guess, is to stop a child getting access to them and swallowing them maybe. So we'll do that in a second. Anyway, first thing you need to do with this is to remove, there's a detachable key here, so you've got to push the thing back, the little tab back there, and then just pull that bit out and it comes out of the way. Okay, once you've removed the key fob part, then you've got to get into the side here. I don't know if you can see that there's a little ridge and you've got to kind of push that up and get that started, and that allows you then to go around the side of the key and push up, and hopefully without causing too much damage to it. I'll work my way around this key now and pop the sides and then we'll get into it. There it goes. Right, once the top comes off, then there's a cover on the battery. That comes out and there's a battery inside. Just pop that out of the way. It's got a little seal ring around it as well, so make sure you don't lose that. Let's get that back in there. Guessing that's there to keep it waterproof. Right, so we've got the battery casing itself, battery housing cover, and then the external part. So we'll put those up there to one side a minute. And now comes the boring and long task of getting one of these out of here. May need to fast forward this bit. Right, so finally gotten into the battery itself. Finally gotten into the battery itself. Here it is. I'll just take the top off that. Insert that back into there. Battery cover on. It kind of pushes back down into place. You can feel it pushing back against that rubber housing. This bit slots over the top. Quite a satisfying click. You can see I've caused a bit of minor damage on the side, but there, I think if I'd have spent a bit more time trying to pop this section out, may have caused less damage, or if I'd used a plastic knife instead, maybe that would have been a bit more useful. Right, so the last bit then, just reinserting the key, and that is done. I'll go and test it on the car. So here's my little Mazda then, and here's the key fob that I've just done. There we go. It's all working. Like I say, personally I'm not too worried about the little marks there. However, if you didn't want to do that, I'd recommend spending a bit more time trying to popping it from the internal part and maybe using a plastic fork. But apart from that, this is how to change the battery on a Mazda Keyfob. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.